Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert image into 3D using AI. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using FlexClip and then you see AI tool. So click on it and then you see image. So we are in image section and then you see AI image to image. So we are going to transform image into 3D. So click on it. So we are going to transform image into AI. Now upload. So click on it. So we upload this image and we are going to convert into 3D. Now select. Now you see multiple 3D design. So you can select according to your requirement. Now we select this. And then you see prompt. If you want, you can add some instruction. Describe the image briefly to get more accurate result. So it's up to you. Image count 1 and then click on generate. Now starting. Now you see image transformation done into 3D. So you can download it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.